Good morning. As you can see, Gippy is doing very well and happy at home, being that he's in our house this morning. He's eating well. He's drinking up to 9 ounces now, so he's pretty healthy, and he's having his meals every 3 hours, and soon will be having them 3 times a day. He will also be getting probably marked on Monday or Tuesday, so I will record that for you so you can see how it's done. You were just changing the tyres on the 6610, and there you go. So we're just changing the wheels there. The other side is already done. We're just taking them off because those ones belong to the Roadless 75, and we're putting on the proper ones. And then she's going up to her new owner, which was heading up in the next day or so. So it'll be the last time I see her. And hopefully we'll be focusing on the Canta cab next week. So stay tuned. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.